Welcome. In front of me is an LG Wing, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to simply do it quickly, all you need to do is pull down the notification, expand it, and you should see the battery saver toggle right over here. Tap on it, let's tap on turn on, and from here we have two different modes, as you can see. And by default it will go into the extended, but you also have the maximum, which will take it to a whole new level of power saving. But as we've seen on the, I believe the first one, there we go. So when you enable it, it gives you a couple information of what it will do. So background activities and data restriction. This may result in some notifications and updates not showing. Could have been explained a little bit better. Basically what it does is after a time of an activity, it will simply disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data and reconnect to it whenever you actually start using the device again. So that's why you wouldn't get notifications. Then also we have always on display will be disabled, max brightness will be turned down to 90%, and vibration also disabled. And that is the normal one, just the traditional power saving mode. And then in the maximum, basically everything that we already had, plus Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is just flat out turned off. Location is disabled, night mode will be turned on. Background activity stays the same, always display again disabled, brief notifications disabled, and frame rate reduced. So this device already doesn't, I believe, have a high frame rate, so it might look kind of trash, but hey, let's say switch, and there we go. So this is the extensive power saving mode. This is the one that will give you the most amount of battery, but it is also fairly limiting, and you can see the refresh rate of the display is a little bit trash, I would say. Almost makes it feel not usable. It feels like I'm using a phone out of beginning of 2000. But that is basically how you enable the hardcore battery saver mode. Now to disable it, let's actually hold the icon and turn it off, and this will go back to normal. And that is basically how you use the power saving mode here. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.